Hello everyone, welcome. Let's talk about word form today, or better, the word categories and how to use them. Now, look at the picture. Are these cars the same? No, right? So we can say the blue car is different from the yellow one, or the blue car differs from the yellow one. We drive the blue car differently from the yellow one, or the difference between the two cars is the color. Now, you see, four very similar words, but different word categories: adjectives, verbs, adverbs, and nouns. That's what we are going to talk about today. Let's see more. Your house is so beautiful. It used to be ugly, but I have beautified it. You see, here it is adjective, here it is a verb. Now, let's start with verbs then. Verbs are the actions, right? And you can easily identify them sometimes because they are next to the subject, or maybe because they end with a specific ending, like here: realize, organize, or maybe simplify, or broaden, widen, straighten, or maybe compete. All these are typical for verbs, but they are not the only ones, of course. Let's see nouns. Nouns are objects, people, feelings, abstract things, everything like that. Their common endings are meant, like agreement, ness, like sadness, ity, probability or pity, maybe patience or competition. Okay, these are the most common ones. What about adjectives? Adjectives have a function. They describe a noun or a pronoun that is near them. Like here, beautiful girl. Beautiful is an adjective and it describes the noun girl. Now, they have many typical endings for them. These are the most common ones: full, less, ik or equal, if or able, doable, eatable, and these things, right? So, adverbs, they have also a function and they describe verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Like here, how did we drive? We drove quickly. We are describing a verb. Or maybe crazily impressive performance. How impressive? Crazily. We are describing an adjective. And here, extremely slowly, an adverb describes another adverb. Okay? The typical ending for adverbs is "ly." Okay, now let's see if you can identify them now. So let's start with adverbs. Do you see any adverbs here? Remember what ending they usually have. Endlessly. Perfect. Now what about nouns? Do you see any nouns? Very good. Sadness, salvation, encouragement, probability. These all have endings that are common for nouns. So they are nouns. Very good. What about adjectives? Perfect. Helpful, eatable, talkative, and useless. What about the others? What are they? Verbs. Very good. Okay, so let's try one more exercise. Here, you have to modify the verb in brackets into the correct word category according to the sentence. So, watching old movies is my mom's idea of. What do we need here? Do we need a verb? No, right? A noun. We need a noun. So, how do we make a noun out of happy? Remember the endings? Happiness. Yes, very good. Thieves sometimes target people at concerts. So be. What do we need here? Adjectives. Very good. Careful. So be careful. My sister has been suffering from a bad cough. Lately. Perfect. And the last one. What are we missing here? A verb. Very good. So how do we make a verb? They concluded the presentation with a video. Very good. Okay, so thank you very much and see you next time.